Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 3 simple words can help us communicate that we respect and value others. Respect, value, connection. These are the foundations of healthy relationships, whether in our personal lives, at work, or in the community. Yet, how often do we struggle to express these simple concepts in our daily conversations? The truth is, words have power. And sometimes, 3 simple words can change the entire dynamic of a conversation. Let's talk about 3 phrases that can instantly show respect, appreciation, and value for others. Number 1, please. Such a small word, but it communicates consideration. When you say please, you acknowledge the other person's autonomy and time. Instead of commanding, you're requesting, and that makes all the difference. Number 2, thank you. We've all heard it, but saying thank you is one of the easiest ways to express gratitude and respect. It reminds people that their efforts are seen and appreciated. It's not just polite, it's powerful. Finally, number 3, I'm sorry. These are the hardest words for many of us, but they're crucial. A heartfelt apology shows humility and responsibility. It helps to rebuild trust and demonstrates that you respect the other person's feelings. Whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues, these 3 simple words, please, thank you, I'm sorry, carry a weight far beyond their length. They can diffuse tension, build rapport, and reinforce mutual respect. Remember, the way we communicate matters. By using these 3 simple phrases regularly, we can foster an environment where everyone feels respected, valued, and connected. Because when we respect others, we build stronger relationships, and that makes the world a better place. Try it today and see the difference. Here's a YouTube outro script you can use for your channel. It maintains a friendly tone and encourages viewers to stay engaged. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and fitness tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to check out my other videos. And as always, stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.